Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bing Image Creator. So if you don't know how to access the Bing AI chatbot, I will describe that. But if you do know how to do that, the first thing you want to do is if you want to go and get the Bing AI image generator, is by going to the top URL and typing in bing.com/create. That's the URL at the top. There you want to go on this web page where you will see create images from words with AI. Then in this box here you just want to go ahead and type in whatever you are looking for example, I'm just going to do a computer in space. Click on that join and create button. Then it should take a few seconds for it to kind of load your image progress, and then you should see eventually pop up with your images. Usually it takes about 10 to 15 seconds. It could take a little bit more, and you can see there it is. And if you want to make edits to it, all you have to do is go to the top search bar and then you can change it to something different. But yeah, that's how you can do this. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.